Uh-oh, the zombie here. Come on, zombie. Ugh. Better kill you before revealing. Uh-oh, I need to kill him. Okay, now he's dead. Bye, zombie. Get away, zombie. Hi, everybody. Today we're reviewing the NERF gun. So we got this cool giant NERF guns. And this is for the girl one, as you can see. It comes with 10 darts. You know one is missing because it's Fry the zombie. And actually the zombie just got dead. Okay, so meet my baby sister. Her name is Pal. Let's get started. This is one of my favorite NERF guns. I like the designer over here because it has some wings. And I like the designer of over here because it has some ribbons and a design of a triangle. And I also like it here because it looks so cool. And look, on the other side, it's the same size. Look at the darts, everybody. Check out this one. This is a star dart. No, pal, I need to show. And this is the wing one. Ta-da! As you can see. Okay, and this is the NERF logo. Pal, don't take it out. Let's check it out, you guys. Look, it says NERF. And this is one of my favorite ones. It's a dot, but it is looks like this. And we still have some more left. I'm going to put it back on and I'll show you how it works. Here, this is the smaller size. Lee, take it. And then be the zombie.
Maybe there.
Be it again. Uh-oh, the zombie's here. Better escape! Ah! Ah! Uh-oh, the zombie's here. I need to shoot it. Now you're dead. Get away, zombie. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Wait, I forgot something. How to shoot it. This thing shoots automatically. So this is how you shoot it. Just press the button and it will shoot. Check it out, everybody. 3, 2, 1, go! It's kind of scary though.